Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making chicken jalapeno poppers. So stay tuned. Be sure to cook. And let's do this. I've got me some great jalapenos here. I'm going to cut off the ends here on this side. I'm going to take it and I'm going to try to hold it. Make sure you do this very quickly and watch your fingers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to peel out all the seeds, I'm going to shake it out. I'm going to cut these all up and then we'll be back and we'll show you how to soak them a little bit while we prepare our mix. Okay, I had a rotisserie chicken that I had bought at my local store. So this is some of the breast and I took off the skin and I'm going to just take this rotisserie chicken that I have, and I'm just going to take it and I cut it in slices, and then I'm just going to cut little small pieces. I've got 2 strips of bacon here, and I'm going to cut the bacon in small pieces. Okay, now we're going to create our filling mix. We have an 8-ounce of Philadelphia cream cheese. I got my mixer here and I'm just going to whip up this 8-ounce cream cheese. Okay, this is my Be Sure to Season seasoning blend. It's got everything you need, meats, vegetables. This does the trick. So we're going to be using some of this, and this is the good stuff. I mean, once you put this in your dish, I mean, you just don't know. So I'm putting about 1/4 tablespoon of that in there. And I'm just going to mix this up. Hey, and if you're interested in buying this wonderful season, I'm not lying to you guys. I know good food, I know good flavor, and this is it. This is the mix that I created. This will be wonderful for all your dishes. Try it out, and I guarantee you'll come back for more. If you like this, just click the link below and get you a bottle. Okay, I got about 2 teaspoons of cheddar cheese, the triple cheddar. Let's go with the triple cheddar. We're gonna mix up that triple cheddar in here. Okay, this is about a tablespoon of fresh Parmesan cheese. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Batano cheese. It's a great cheese, guys. This cheese is got a flavor out of this world. Okay, you remember my chicken that we chopped up? This was the rotisserie chicken. For this 8-ounce, I'm doing a 1/2 cup of this chicken. Now see, it's really getting thick, but you want to make sure this all gets mixed up equally into the mixture. Okay, this is my bacon. This is about 2 tablespoons. And I put it inside here, and we're just going to mix all this up and making sure that bacon gets evenly mixed. Okay, so I've got regular flour. I've got 1/2 of buttermilk and half and half. And you want to just kind of measure. I want to take some of my good mix, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in here. And this is about a tablespoon. And we're going to take it and we're going to just stuff these peppers inside here. Okay, look at that. So I stuffed it, and then the spoon can kind of guide you, you know, how you want it and everything. Then we're going to come over here to our flour. We're going to put it in here, and we're going to like bread coat it. Then we're going to come back over here to our buttermilk. We're going to flip this around, drain that. Then we're going to go over here to our breadcrumbs. Okay, I've got a spoon with some holes in it. I need that so I don't have to. And we're going to like bread that again. Look at that. And then we're going to put it on here, and we're going to kind of shake it off. And we're going to dip this right back into the buttermilk. And then we're just going to flip our buttermilk batter over again. We're going to go back into the breadcrumbs. And if you do it with spoons with holes in them, it seems like it comes out a little bit better. And that's what it should look like when we lay it down here on our plate. Let me go ahead and make the rest so you can see them all finished and done, and we'll start frying those. And here we go, guys. These are my chicken jalapeno poppers. Are the best chicken jalapeno poppers you probably ever will eat. Okay, I'm grabbing me a jalapeno popper here. I'm just gonna dip a little bit in here. Look at that. I don't want to leave crumbs in there. Only one dip per person. Oh my God. This is delicious. Guess what, guys? I didn't make these chicken jalapeno poppers by myself. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more dishes, plenty more of these, and plenty more of everything. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, make these for your family and your kids. Have a party. They're going to be very impressed. See you next time. Bye.